Hi lovely people, welcome back. So if you read from my description, I'm going to be unboxing the September 2018 Macy's Beauty Box. Now I just got this, so I'm going to open it up. This is my fourth video that I am making today, my fourth and final video. I still have some more subscription boxes to unbox. I got very behind. I said this in every video that I made today, but just in case you were new, my mother and grandmother's house caught on fire about a week and a half ago, so I got so behind helping them. They are staying with me right now. It's going to be about between 4 and 6 months till they can go back in their house. Their contractor comes Tuesday, and then we will find everything out. So I'm trying to get these up and out for you guys. And so my setup is in my room right now. It used to be out in the dining room in front of this big window. So I am using artificial lights right now. I'm sorry if it's too bright or the lighting doesn't look good, but I will get better. I'm going to figure some things out. So let me know in the comments down below how the lighting is. Please be very honest with me so that I know. Okay, so the first thing when you open this up is what it looks like. This is $15 a month subscription. And you always get, oh, this month you get a $10 off. Now, usually you get $5 off. There are times that you do get $10 off. And you can use this at any Macy's store, in-store, online. So I like it. So even though it says $15, we have a $10 off, so it's really like $5. So that's, I really enjoy it. I also like the fact that it comes with everything that is in here, but it only comes with the prices that would be full size. It doesn't give you the value of the sample size. So I really like this bag. What is the theme this month? Gym Bag Beauty. Look at this, how this came. Okay? That's awesome. So let's open this up. So you take it like this. Look at that. It is a gym bag. I don't sweat, I sparkle. Amen. Now that's awesome. I mean, I really like it. So you can get makeup, skincare, hair care, and because I am 42, there are some people that I know only want makeup, but for me, I enjoy getting all of it, so I don't mind. So I'm going to, okay, so it always comes like this wrapped up, and you always get a bag, which I like, but I really like this. I know my boys, no, because it says it's sparkle, I was going to say, they would try to steal it from me, but I don't think they would take it with that. So I don't really know what's in here. I'm trying not to touch the table so much because it is shaky. I have to get something more sturdier. I usually used my dining room table, which is sturdy. Okie dokie. Okay, let's see what we have. All right, the first thing that I'm pulling up is this Donna Cashmere Mist Antiperspirants. What is this thing? Let's see what this is. This is, okay, it's a deodorant, and full size would be $27. Holy crap. Okay. Oh, that smells good, though. Is this full size? 1 ounce. Let's see if it's full size. Does it say upgrade? You're okay with it? It doesn't say what full size is, so I'm not sure if it's full size or not. So that's what it looks like. You would just turn it up. It is white. There we go. And it does smell good, so I will definitely give it a try. All right. The next thing we got is, what is this? From Clinique. Okay, a chubby stick. And this is a moisturizing lip color balm. This is in the color 07 Super Strawberry. Let's see. I gotta get used to, because I'm not used to using these lights and this setup, so I will get better. I just need a little bit of time. All right, so full size would be $17.50. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's see. So this is just like a lip balm. It's like a tinted lip balm, which is really pretty. Just gives you like a little bit of color. I do like that. So, okay. All right, the next thing is a sample of Choo Man in this, I guess it would be, the scent would be blue. And so that's good. So this would be for 3.3 ounce for the man is $90, or you could have got, I guess, one for the women, and for 3.3 would be 112. Let me see what it smells like. See if I would like this for my hubby. Ooh, ooh, that smells good. I will definitely get, oh my God, that smells so good. I love a good smelling man. I can see a guy that is like not too attractive in my, opinion, but if he smells good, oh my God, love it. It's like he gets more attractive, All right, the next thing I see, oh, we got, okay, so now we got the one, I guess, for the female, the Jimmy Choo. Oh, that's good. Okay, I thought you either got one or the other. Oh, that's good. Okay, let's see what this smells like. But if I like it, this would be $112. So I don't know. So that's what that looks like. Oh my God, that smells so good for the man. Can't. Oh, God, that smells good too. I really like that as well. I like both of them. But I might have to get this for my husband for his birthday. His birthday is December 2nd, or Christmas, because it's $90. So I love that. All right, the next thing we got is a shower sheet. Large body wipe, instantly cleanses, refreshes, and deodorizes. So that's good. I think I'll probably give this to my son because he loves, my oldest son, he's 22, he loves playing basketball. He could take it with him for like under the arms or something like that. So let's see what that would be. Okay, so full size would be $22. And I don't know how many you would get for the full size. So that's a lot of money. Okay, the next thing we got is pure Castile soap. This is 18-in-1 hemp peppermint from Dr. Bronner's. And this is a really good size as well. Really good size. This is a really good bag this month. So what is this? Made with organic, fair trade ingredients, this peppermint scented soap is gentle enough to wash everything from your hair to your gym clothes. And it would be $11. So I'm not sure if this is full size or not, if this would be $11 or if it's bigger than that. Because it doesn't say like how many ounces, so I can't tell. All right, and last but not least is from Good Genes Sunday Raleigh. This is lactic acid treatment. So that's exciting. I love this brand. And full size would be $105. That's the only thing about subscription boxes is that, like for this, and also with Sephora Play, which is $10 a month, I really like the products, but the thing of it is, if you like it, they're so expensive. But I do enjoy getting these little sample sizes because that way you can tell if you like it or not without buying the full size. So that's why I like these little subscription boxes like the Sephora Play, which I might end up getting again because the bag, they are getting better. So I think this is a great bag this month. So we got the sample size. Now this is a little bitty sample size of Good Genes. We got a deodorant from Donna Karen, which I never heard of that brand, so it has to be a higher end brand. Then we have this little soap, peppermint soap, which is nice, and this is a lot, like you get a lot in here. We got a Clinique Chubby Stick, which I like, and this will last you for a while. It's like a little lip balm, a little tinted lip balm. And we got the guys and girls Jimmy Choo, oh Lord, that one just fell, sample, which I like, and the sample of the shower sheets. So that is great. And then we got, where'd it go? Oh, we got the $10 off. So that really makes the bag too. So really all of this was only $5 with this amazing gym bag. Sorry that I'm bending over, but this is a small table. So I'm going to go out either tonight or tomorrow, get a bigger table and a sturdier table. So that is everything in the September bag. Let me know what you think. Do you think it was worth it? I definitely do. For $5 you feel, you know, for that $10 coupon. Let me know. I am starting to babble, so I'm going to get off of here. Please leave a like. It really does help me out. I do have a giveaway going on for a couple more weeks. It is an Ipsy giveaway. I will leave that video down below. You just check that out. And I think that's everything I have to say. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this bag. I leave videos all the time at the end right here. You can just click on what video you want to see if you want to see more of me. And until my next video. Bye.